DDG3250 identity design. Week 6 is upon us. We've been slowly and methodically creating from a combination mark for a nonprofit of your selection, which have been a church, a local church, the Humane Society, and the Young Professionals Organization in Fort Myers. And we've taken that logo and created a black and white, a one color, and then a multicolor or full color version. We've created an identity package for that nonprofit, a business card front and back, a letterhead, and an envelope. And now we created a sub-brand for our nonprofit. We called it the Mascot Project, but it really is a sub-brand. So we've had things like illustration of the building. We've had a modern interpretation of an icon, like a laptop or a portfolio. We've had religious symbols, sub-brands. So we've created a bunch of very interesting things. So now we're on to week 6. And week 6 is all about, well, it's really two things. We're creating a event logo. So I'm going to scroll down here in our week 5 and 6 folder and go into the learning activity. And that's the charity event logo. Something that your organization does as an anchor event that is there for fundraising purposes. It could be a Christmas gift gathering event. It could be maybe something for Thanksgiving. It could be a black tie event, one of the big annual events for your nonprofit. It could be a mixer. We're looking for a logo design that fits in with and pairs with the overall branding combination mark for the organization itself, whether that be modern or that be a little more organic. And with that being said, you want to stay in the same general color palette. You also want to stay in the same typographic family to make sure that this event brand really fits in well with the brand for the organization and the sub-brand that we've created. We'll start compiling this into an InDesign template for our brand manual here. And we'll also be, along with that event logo design, over the next week or so, we will be creating a mock-up Photoshop web page. We'll want to advertise the event for the organization so that it gives it a real professional look. And you'll see a few of them here that we've created. Previously we did a coffee industry, so you'll notice that we actually created a Rainforest Foundation logo for the Joffrey's Coffee and a donation page that allows you to donate, and you get a shirt for supporting. You also see another one mocked up where we took a web page. We created a static web page, and we did the old $25 and you get a coffee mug. You'll see two different interpretations. One was a screenshot of the web page, and we put the new design of the web page inside the browser. And then you'll see one where we took a picture of a laptop and we stuck the web page Photoshop file into the screen to add realism. So over the next about week and a half, that's what we'll be working on. We'll want to create a custom event logo combination mark that fits in with the style, the look, the feel, the color palette, the typography of the nonprofit itself and its sub-brand. And then we want to create a static Photoshop design page of a web page that would be a fundraising page for that event, whether it be a page for buying tickets or it be a donation page, something that we could then apply the event logo to add to the realism of the brand manual. So we're really starting to extend the brand now beyond the combination mark you created into other elements that reinforce the look and feel of what you created for the client. I actually build these 16-page brand manuals for each and every client that I have that's looking for a complete logo or rebrand because it's added value to what I'm giving the client. If I can provide them with a PDF of usage of all the logos and sub-brands I've created, it's something that they can pass on onto the printer, or they can give to an in-house designer as they use my creations to further extend their business. It's always good to help out that in-house person so that they continue to apply your combination or your brand design in an effective, consistent way. And the easiest way to do that is to give them a small brand manual that shows them many of the usages of what you've created. So have a great week. We're in week 6 already. It's hard to believe. Time's kind of flying here a little bit, but you guys are creating some great work and you're learning a lot along the way. So have a great week, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.